Hello and welcome to another HeartMoto video. In today's video we're going to be talking about VisioDry. VisioDry is a new generation water repellent which is ideal for crash helmet visor, goggles and glasses. So we'll go through the technical specifications later in the video, but the best way to understand VisioDry and how it works is to see it in action. Let's zoom in on the helmet visor so you can clearly see how the product works. Okay, I've cleaned and dried my visor and separated it into two halves. The first experiment I'm going to do is to apply plain tap water to both halves of the untreated visor. Hopefully you can see the water remains on the visor as you would expect. Okay, I've cleaned this half of the visor with just tap water and a microfiber cloth, so we are now ready to apply the VisioDry. This will take approximately 30 seconds to activate, so whilst we're waiting for that to go off, again we'll just do another quick demonstration on the untreated side, and hopefully you can see how the water basically just remains on the visor. Now the activation process is happening. You'll just have to trust me, bear with me on that. Almost there. Unfortunately this won't be picked up by the camera because it's so faint. Okay, right, so that looks like that is now activated. Let's test again with my little bottle of water, see what happens. Look at that, absolutely amazing. The water just bounces off as if it's little ball bearings. Unbelievable. You'll never fear a rain shower again. So there we have it, VisioDry. I hope you was impressed with this as I was when I first saw it demonstrated. If you're interested in buying this product, please see the affiliate links in the video description below. I hope you've enjoyed this video and have found it useful. Please feel free to ask any questions or add your own comments in the comment section below. I'll be very grateful for a like and a subscribe, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.